Greetings, students. Let's go over Literably. So, to start with, go to literably.com and select I am a student. Here, you're going to type in your teacher's email address. At the drop down box, you're going to find your name and hit login. You can hit the speaker to listen to the directions again or simply go to next page. Now you're going to start reading. As soon as you click start, it will begin recording you and timing you. It will record you for 1 minute. Let's begin. I see a bat. Make sure when you're done reading the words on the page, you click next page. I see a crab. I see a snake. I see a spider. I see a wall. I see a mouse. When you get to the end of the story, you can simply click stop. Okay, so now you're all done. Do not hit record again. It will not allow you to get a new score. Go ahead and hit comprehension. Now you can start answering questions about the story. If you're unsure, you can hit return to reading and it will take you back to the story. And by hitting comprehension, you can return to the question. So let's just go through and answer the questions. Now I'm at the retell portion. Tell as much as you can about the beginning, middle, and end. I want a full retell, as much of the story as you can recall. You can also put in your own points of view. This can be typed or you can start recording it. Keep in mind that after you hit record and you talk about the story and you hit stop, it turns blue again to start recording. If you hit this button again, it will replace your previous recording. So I start recording my answer. This story is about a bee and a girl and a snake and a whale and a wall and all the things. Stop recording, log out, I'm done. Now you're complete. That's how you take a Literably assessment.